This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Let's prepare some finger-licking palm nut soup. Aye, Abenkwan. Abenkwan papi. I hope you get me. So I have my basic ingredients. I have my tomatoes. Please don't use 2 tomatoes for Abenkwan. I have my tomatoes. I have my scotch bonnet pepper. Some garlic to taste. Some ginger. And my Maggi tablets. And then I also have some onion. I have this blended onion, ginger, garlic. I have my Ojiaware special and some salt to taste. I have my palm cream here. I'm not using the traditional method. I'm using the palm cream, yes. And then I have some okra. And then I have prekese jamedu. Abenkwan without prekese. That one isn't Abenkwan. Baby. Good. And then I have my turkey berries. And then I have my protein. This is my cow foods. Yeah. It's been boiled and you can see it's very soft. Okay. And then I have my fish. That's my mackerel. Salmon. Yeah. And then I have some dried herrings. That's amane. I have some crabs. I have some tolo beef. And I have some tripe. Yeah. So let's get started. And foremost, I start with the base of the soup, so I'll marinate all my proteins. I add my salted fish, that's momone. Blended onions and ginger. So now our meat is boiling. So I'll allow this to boil for like 10 to 15 minutes. Then I add the other protein. I put in my onions, tomatoes, and peppers to boil. This is my prekese. Yeah, before incorporating it into my soup, I need to smoke it a bit. So this is what I'm doing. Yeah, when you smoke it, it gives it some smoky flavor and taste, and then it also brings out the taste and the aroma from the prekese. A drone bank as I told it so anymore. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll just smoke it for just about 5 minutes, then I'll put it into my soups. So I add my prekese, my dried herrings, and I add my crabs. I add my Ojiaware special. No adding of salt. I'm not adding salt to it now because I have momone and beef. They are both salted, so I'm not adding salt to it now. Ooh. The aroma coming out. Oh my gosh. You need to be here. So I take my tomatoes and my peppers. I add my salmon. I add my salmon to also enjoy some of the infusion of the spice and mise en place. So now I'm working on my palm cream. I'll boil some water, so I add it to it. Now I add my blended peppers, tomatoes, and turkey berries. That's bedroom. Yeah. The reason why I said don't add tea tomato or tomato paste is it makes the soup too sweet, just like our normal stews. No, this one you need to feel the presence or the aroma or the taste. You need to feel the taste of the palm nuts and all your fishes and meats. So please don't add tomato puree. And even with the fresh tomatoes, don't take too much. Just 2 or 3 is perfect for palm nut soup. Guys, I'm about pouring the palm nuts into the soup itself, but I need to take out the salmon. Either than that, it will break, and at the end, I wouldn't get my salmon to enjoy. So I take it off, and then I add my palm nuts. See, I added the precursor. And quite you see. So you rinse and then you add some water to it and then you allow it to boil. My ends on a bonnet bean, it shouldn't be on a high heat. It should be on a medium, low to medium heat so that it will boil gradually and you enjoy your soup. As you can see, our palm nuts is doing amazingly great. So I add my salmon. Now that my soup is almost done, my salmon has been cooked already, so I add my salmon. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Our palm nut soup, aka Abenkwan, is ready. Yes, simple but tasty. I want to share this tip. When it comes to Abenkwan, palm nut soup or granite soup, you know, the next day you might be eating some. So if you add too much salt to it, it will become too salty the next day. So what you do is, as I prepared mine today, I didn't add any salt because my momone and my beef are already salted. So tomorrow if I'm eating, it's perfect. So please try your hands on it and send me a comment. I love you guys. Please kindly share this video. Please like it, comment and subscribe for more videos.